I'm Michelle Hamlin. I am a founding member of the Honeybee Society here in Howard County, Texas. The Honeybee Society was created in 2019. Since then, we've been able to provide scholarships and grants to youth in agriculture as they take on livestock projects. In 2021, we expanded to also support our local first responders, but our heart has always been about investing in young people and helping them build skills that last far beyond the barn. That mission led to the creation of Level Up, a program designed to help students grow in confidence, professionalism, and purpose.
My name is Faith Geiswai, and growing up, I showed pigs and competed in public speaking contests in 4-H and FFA. My time in the show ring shaped me today, but also shaped me in the time being and where I wanted to go to college after graduation. When I started showing pigs, I didn't really have a clear path of where I wanted to be when I grew up. And from showing livestock and waking up early and going feeding pigs before going to school and then staying in the barns till late at night, really proved that the determination and the drive in the early days really paid off in the long run whenever you were at those shows. And whether win or lose, the memories that you hold and the experiences that you have of the grit and the determination rang true throughout college and even in a professional setting.
Hi, I'm Reagan Hamlin. I'm from Big Spring, Texas, and have been involved in the livestock industry for the past 20 years. Through Level Up, we have built competitions into a program to help students move forward and learn skills for the real world. We have 3 competitions that focus on 4 main areas: presentation, interview, record books, and quality of an animal. I'm excited to be a part of the Level Up team.
Hi, I'm Harrison Chevalier. I'm from Big Spring, Texas. I got involved in the stock show world about 25 years ago. Started showing pigs and goats through the local 4-H and FFA chapters. Since graduation, I went to Howard College on a livestock judging scholarship, ended up continuing to give back through these youth programs, and I'm excited to be part of the Level Up program going forward. One of the key pillars of this program will be the presentation of the animal. This goes further than just the animal itself. This is on the individual showing it, which includes knowing where they're at in the show ring, the presentation, their eye contact. It's about building self-confidence and presence inside and outside of the ring. Another key pillar is interviews. Interviews help students learn public speaking skills so they can speak on behalf of themselves as well as their animal. Another key component of this program would be record book keeping. Record books matter greatly in every project that you're going to do. These can include planning, feed logs, medications, weight growth over time. All these aspects lead to the final end product, which is the ultimate goal. These are skills that can be used across many different disciplines, not just animals.
Level Up helps young people create habits and mindsets to carry into whatever future they choose. Whether that's agriculture, the workforce, serving our community as a first responder, or in a leadership position.